Hey guys, Avinash Srinivas here, back with another drum lesson, and today we are going to be talking about Gavin Harrison's single paradiddle challenge. I'm sure most of you have already seen Gavin's lesson on Drumeo called How to Create Amazing Drum Parts. If you haven't already, you should check it out. It's really interesting. In this lesson, I'm going to be talking about what dotted eighth notes are, how do you count them, the paradiddle challenge of course, and my version of the paradiddle challenge. Let's get started. For those of you who don't know what dotted notes are, it's quite simple. When you place a dot next to a note, it increases the note's value by half. Take a dotted quarter note for example. A dotted quarter note is equal to a quarter note plus half of a quarter note, which is an eighth note. So a dotted quarter note would be equal to 3 eighth notes. Moving on to dotted eighth notes, a dotted eighth note is equal to an eighth note plus half of an eighth note, which is a 16th note. So that makes it 3 16th notes in total. Now I'm going to show you guys how to count dotted eighth notes. I want you to count 16 notes out loud, and you're going to clap dotted eighths after every 3 16 notes. Here's what it sounds like. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a. Now I was counting in 3/4 here, and you would have noticed that there are 4 dotted eighth notes in one bar of 3/4. Let's move on to the actual challenge now, which is in 6/4. We just learned that there are 4 dotted eighth notes in a bar of 3/4. Therefore, a bar of 6/4 will have 8 dotted eighth notes. Okay, I'm going to go behind the kit now and show you how the actual challenge is. Alright, so what Gavin does in the paradiddle challenge is he starts playing a single paradiddle with his hands with accents on the downbeat or all the quarter notes, and dotted eighth notes on the feet, which are also played as a single paradiddle. Let's hear what it sounds like at 90 BPM. Let's hear what it sounds like at 110 BPM. That was easy, right? Here's what I decided to do with it. Once I got the pattern down, I started playing different variations of the single paradiddle with my feet, which was playing dotted eighth notes after every 2 bars. So I start with the single paradiddle for the first 2 bars, the outward paradiddle for the next 2 bars, the reverse paradiddle for the next 2 bars, and the inward paradiddle for the last 2 bars. Let's hear what it sounds like at 110 and 140 BPM. Alright guys, that was my version of Gavin Harrison's single paradiddle challenge. Try it out, have fun with it, and share it with your friends. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Cheers.